Today we'll continue with the 8th lesson in chapter 3, multiply 3 factors. And what we're going to do, we will solve questions like this question. And to start, my heroes, I want you to open your book's page. Tell me, my heroes, what page is this?
139. 139.
Thank you, my heroes. Thank you, Muhammad. Thank you, Faris. So, go ahead, everyone. Open your books, page 139. And before we start solving, I will ask some questions. If you have the answer to the question, please just raise your hand. So do not use your mics, just raise your hand. And please, if you don't know the answer, put your hands down. Muhammad Hani. Muhammad Hani.
Yes, teacher.
You're raising your hand. Why?
I think you asked a question.
I didn't ask anything yet. Okay. Let's start with a question like 3 multiplied, let's use this color. 3 multiplied by 8. You do need to write this. My heroes, do not write this. You don't need to write it. If you know the answer, just raise your hand. Okay, Muhammad Kumail?
Yes, teacher.
What is your answer?
Multiply 8.
What is your
24.
answer? What?
24.
24.
24.
Thank you, Muhammad. Okay, my heroes, please put your hands down again. Muhammad Fahd, did you hear me? Now, if you know the answer, just raise your hand. Yasin?
I can answer, Mr.
Yasin?
Yes, teacher.
Go ahead.
35.
Excellent. 5 multiplied by 7 equals 35. Thank you, Yasin. Hands down. Hands down. Hands down. Put your hands down. Quickly, Abdurrahman and Muhammad Kumail, put your hands down. If you know the answer, just raise your hand. Muhammad Fahad?
16.
Muhammad Fahad?
Yes.
Go ahead.
16.
Why? Muhammad Fahad, I'm speaking
16.
to you. I'm speaking to you. Do not mute your mic.
Because my brothers.
Okay, do not mute your mic. What is 2 multiplied by 5?
10.
Okay, now we need to multiply by the third factor, which is 3.
3.
So 10 multiplied by 3.
Equal 30.
So it's 30, not 16. Thank you, Muhammad. Okay, and now my heroes, hands down again. And let's see the next question. Look carefully. Do not raise your hand unless you have the answer. 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. And this time, I want you to tell me, is it the same answer like this one? These two are the same, yes or no? You should tell me if these two are the same product. They have the same product, yes or no? Please do not use your mic, Muhammad. Ibrahim?
Yes. Yes, they are the same product.
Okay, can you explain?
Because 10 multiplied 3 equals 30.
Yes.
And 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. 2 multiplied by 3 equals 6. So 6 multiplied by 5 equals 30.
So both of them, they have the same product, 30. Okay, thank you, Ibrahim. And now...
But they changed the order.
Again? You change what?
They changed the order.
Excellent, we changed the order. You see here that the 3, we get it the second, then we used after that the 5 as the last one. Okay, what property changed the order? What is the property that changed the order? Anyone? If you know the name of the property, say it. Use your mic and say the name. Okay, go ahead.
He changed the 3 to the second and the 5 to the third.
Okay, this is not my question. I'm asking about the name of the property that changes the order. Oh.
Distributive.
What?
Distributive property.
Distributive? No.
Yeah, property.
Again, Muhammad?
Property. Associative property.
I don't hear you well.
Property.
Property. What property?
Teacher, I know its name.
Say it.
Property. Associative property.
Associative? No, not associative. The property that changes the order is commutative property. So we use commutative property to change the order. Change the order. And we use associative property to change the grouping. Okay, let's see another example. Put your hands down again. Put your hands down. Everyone, put your hands down. Hands down, quickly, Muhammad. Kareem, put your hand down. Muhammad, put your hand down. Okay, let's see this one. And please do not raise your hand if you don't have the answer. Two multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7. Okay, Muhammad Hani?
70.
Oh, wow. How could you find this product?
If that question you asked as before, 5 multiplied by 7, is just you multiply it by 2, and it means the equal of the before question, it's double it. 5 plus 5 is 40, and 40 plus 30, 70. That's all.
So you multiply 5 by 7, you get 35, and you double it. That's it?
No, I mean the before question. The second question question is half of this, and if you double it into, is you get the answer.
No, it's completely different. I'm using different factors.
No.
It's not the same, Muhammad.
In that question.
No, it's not the same.
Just double it, teacher.
Okay, but now
just double it.
I need another way. Kareem? Kareem? Ibrahim?
Yes.
What is your answer and explain it?
I know.
Go ahead.
Multiplied by 7 equals 35. And double the 35, it equals 70.
Okay, I said I need another way. Because we don't keep the timetable of 35. So I need another way.
I know.
Okay, Muhammad again.
We can just to switch. We double the 2.
No, I don't want to
we
do.
Double the 5 with 7.
Okay, it's the same as Ibrahim said. This is not what we need to do. I need another way. Yasin? Yasin?
We will put the 2. We will put the 2. We will change the order. We will put the 2 in the 7 and the 7 in the 2. The 2 multiplied by 5 equals 10, and 10 multiplied by 7 equals 70. The answer is 70.
Yasin, you are a star. I like this answer. Let's write it. You said that we will multiply 2 by 5 first, then multiply the 7. And 2 multiplied by 5 is 10. 10 multiplied by 7 is 70. So, the product is 70. Excellent, Yasin. And I want to ask a question here. In this step, do you see what we are doing? We will multiply 2 by 5 first. What property are we using here? What property are we using? Which property changes this is not changing the order. 2 is first, then 5 second, then 7 third. We didn't change the order, but we changed the grouping. Yes? Again?
Associative.
Yes, associative property. Wow, really you are a star. Associative property. So associative property change the grouping.
Yeah.
So instead of multiplying 5 by 7 first, no, we will multiply 2 by 5 first. That's what we are doing.
Yeah.
Excellent. Thank you, my hero. Thank you, Yasin. Great work. Okay, now my heroes, let's start solving questions. This is page 139. We solved yesterday questions 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And today we will start with question number 9. So, in this question, we need to tell whether the question is true or false. And we need to explain. Okay, let's start with the first one. Muhammad Sibai.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, go ahead. Are we using the same factors?
No. 5 multiplied by 3 equal 15.
Okay, again. Are we using the same factors? 5.
Yes, 5
3,
and 5.
3. 4.
And the same.
So we are using the same factors, yes.
Same factors.
When we use the same factors, we should get the same product. we can use commutative and associative properties to get the same. So the answer should be true or false?
True.
Of course, it's true because we are using the same factors. And I will answer this another way. Thank you, Muhammad. I will answer this another way to explain to you how we can get from this form, this sentence, to the other sentence. Okay, let's start with this one. We have 5 multiplied by 3, then multiplied by 4. And now, using commutative property, I'll change the order. So it will be 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4. This is commutative property. In the next step, I will use associative property. So I will write the 3, 5, and 4. I will not change the order. I will just change the grouping and put the parentheses here to multiply 5 by 4 first. And as you can see, it's the same like this one. It's the same like the other sentence. So it's true because we can use commutative and associative properties to get to the other side. Any problems? Any questions?
No. No. No.
Okay, let's move to the next one.
Teacher, I just finished.
Okay, I will not erase it. Continue. Muhammad Mahdi?
Yes, Mr.
In the next question, we need to... Oh, this is 3 and this is 2. 3 factors and 2 factors. So we need to find the product. Okay, let's do it. 2 multiplied by 6 equals... Oh, Muhammad Mahdi, you keep muting your mic. You will get a note if you mute your mic again. Answer me and do not mute your mic.
Okay.
What is 2 multiplied by 6?
2 multiplied by 6. 6. 7. 10. 10.
Muhammad, you need to keep the timetable.
Okay.
I will write a note for you, and please keep the timetable, Muhammad. I don't like what you're doing. So, 2 multiplied by 6 is not 10, it's 12. And I don't know how to multiply 4 by 12, so I will not use this one. Okay, which 2 is better to multiply first? I see that we can multiply the 4 and 2 first. So I will multiply 4 by 2 first. Then multiply the 6. What is 4 multiplied by 2?
4 multiplied by 2. 7. 8.
Yes.
8.
And now 8 multiplied by 6.
8 multiplied by 6. 48.
Okay, this is for the left side. Now let's move to the right side. What is 8 multiplied by 4?
8 multiplied by 4. 32.
Yes, excellent. So now, is this the same product?
The product 32.
Okay, it is the same, yes or no?
No.
So, this is true or false?
Oh.
False, of course. Thank you, my hero. Okay, and as you can see here, my heroes, this is 8 multiplied by 6, and here 8 multiplied by 4. We are using different factors. So, sure, we will get different products. When we use different factors, you may get different products. But if, as you see here, we are using 8. 8 here and here. 8 is repeated. So it's impossible to find 8 multiplied by 6 the same as 8 multiplied by 4. Because it's the same 8. Okay, any problems, my heroes? Any questions about this one?
No. No.
Okay, let's move to the next one. Abdurrahman Jassim.
Yes, mister.
Okay, would you please read the question for us?
Yes, a water ride has 4 long boats. Each boat has 2 security with 2 seats in each security. How many seats do the water ride have?
Okay, we have 4 boats, and each boat has 2 sections with 2 seats in each section.
4 by 2 by 2.
Okay, so which 2 would you like to multiply first?
Number 4.
Okay.
By 2.
Yes?
By 4 by 2.
Okay, continue.
8 by 8.
No, why 8 by 8? If you multiply 4 by 2, so what is the third factor?
Factor 2 by 8, not
Yes, and what is 8 multiplied by 2?
60.
16. So we have 16 seats. Okay, thank you, Abdurrahman. Great work. Okay, my heroes, any problems? Any questions?
No.
Okay. Okay. Now I'll send to you the link of the game.